ask you कि ये commitment नहीं देते, appointment नहीं देते, punishment देते हैं, तो आपको कभी सेट पे कोई मौका मिला था इनको punishment देने का? ये तो देते रहते हैं। नहीं, आपने इनको दिया कि नहीं?
No. Okay.
मैं तो कहूँगा कि मुझे बहुत punishment है, नचा के मुझे punishment चाहिए।
Actually, then he came to the, I mean, that said, sound, do it. And then he just did it. I told, okay, no, sir, really? Yeah. Everybody was clapping and it's actually in the first take only he did it. And then.
आपको dancing के अलावा किसी और चीज़ का कीड़ा है अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं?
I eat lot, sweets.
He eats a lot, Sonakshi, it doesn't look at all.
I told him yesterday, sir, you're losing weight. He said, yes, dancing.
So that's the mantra.
That was his
Eat sweets and
explanation
dance.
to it.
But Ajay ji, honestly speaking, what was the hardest thing about dancing? Or do you think it's cool कि action के बीच में थोड़ा dance हो रहा था? Because I love that particular thing in the promo.
No, I think it was tough dancing, but Prabhu made it very easy for me, in the sense, as he says also that ये एक actor की body language पढ़ के उस हिसाब से movements देते हैं, तो he did that and he made me very comfortable doing it. So and he was concentrating on the expression also and the step, and so he made it very easy.
Any other keeda? Actually, I have quite a few keedas, but the most evident ones are dancing, and then there's of course I'm a very good bathroom singer. So yeah, I like to sing sometimes.
So think this is a bathroom. Sing.
Really, with like 1,000 people there? I don't think so.
तुमसे मिलने का
कीड़ा अंदर है,
डेटिंग कर ले तू,
ओपन कैलेंडर है,
सोम मंगल बुध गुरु शुक्र शनि रवि,
आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली,
मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ अजय जी को
Is that really your voice? I want to know.
yeah, because it's in the mid range, it's not in the high pitch voice, it's not nasal, नाक से नहीं गाया है।
आपको आप में से किसी को पता चला वही है?
और I think it's I've enjoyed working with Prabhu ji and Ajay ji के साथ, बोल बच्चन and Son of Sardar and Sonakshi के साथ. I mean, lots of hits have been there. They've really been very lucky for me. So it's been a great team, and this film is Prabhu Deva. See, you know, every frame में आपको दिखेंगे, music में दिखेंगे, every beat में, and he is there in everything, you know. मेरे म्यूजिक में जो भी आपको दिख रहा है, it is प्रभु देवा जी.
You know, हिमेश जी, आपका एक बैंक रहता है गानों का. Honestly, tell me, did these songs go from that bank, or you had to create one?
Yeah, they were from the bank, but then he improvised. It was not that it was just taken from the bank. The way he placed it in the film, the way he wanted to shoot it, the way he wanted to fit it to Ajay ji's character, Sonakshi's character. So, I mean, he really worked very hard on each song. So it's his vision completely.
But this was a song you made before and had the word Kira in it.
Yeah, it was there. I mean, it was written by Shabbir Ahmed, the lyric writer. But Prabhuji has really improvised. That ta that's him. You
And
know,
what
how
instrument is that, if I may ask?
that is electronics, of course. It's a modern Chennai.
ऐसी ही कई इंटरेस्टिंग बातों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बॉलीवुड वाला को. डू शेयर योर फीडबैक्स, कमेंट ऑन आवर स्टोरीज एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द स्टोरीज.